Good day everyone. In this video, I will discuss to you on this part. So first, the self-selected date filter, meaning this features allows user to filter cells data based on a specific date range. It enables user to view sales information for a particular period, such as a week, month, or custom date range. So as you can see, this is the cells selected date filter. So next, this month cells. So this is a section displays the total sales generated within the current month. It provides an overview of the revenue earned during the present month. So as you can see, this month's sale is total 76,090 pesos. So in this part, this month's sales per category, they have a ticket, stock, the others, the holobungawita, then the fuels, the drinks, bread, and add-ons. This is the month sales per category. So this part breaks down the sales data into different categories. So showing the revenue generated by each category within the current month. It helps identify which product categories are driving sales. So this is the part. Then after that, this month purchase. So this part, this month purchase is similar to the this month's sales. So this section shows the total amount spent on purchasing within the current month. So it allows user to track expenses related to inventory or supplies. So this is the total amount for the month. Then this month profit, as you can see, this is the component calculates the overall profit for the current month by subtracting total purchases from the total sales. So it provides insight into the financial performance of the business for the month. So as you can see, this is the value and this month profit. So they have a total, the sales total, the cost total. So in this part, the top 5 items. So as you can see, the top 5 items this month is the Dumaguete to Cebu. So they have a 40%. Then the second top is the Premium Unleaded. So they have 25.2%. Then next, the Economy Holo Bungaw is have 14.3%. And the next is the Premium Gasoline 10.2%. So the lowest is the Diesel 10.2%. So meaning of this is the best-selling items based on the sales volume or revenue generated. It helps user understand which products are popular and contributing significantly to overall sales. So, meaning, as you can see this or review or update which item are the highest sell. So, take note, this component collectively provide valuable insight into sales performance, expenses, profitability, and product popularity, helping business make informed decision and optimize their operation. So that's all about this in the process on this. So